Hi, Matthew Loop here. Thanks for checking out this quick short video. Now, if you're watching this at the moment, chances are you're a chiropractic neurologist, and what I'd like to do is to provide you some tips that you can use today to grow your practice that will help you offline as well as online. Now, just starting out, it's a little bit more difficult to initiate referrals from either the internet or offline, but a couple things that you can do today to help get those referrals started so obviously you can start to treat people with brain-based disorders like multiple sclerosis, stroke, Parkinson's disease, and numerous other conditions is that you can start to network with general practitioners and internists. Now, you might say, well, it would make more sense to network with a neurologist, but sometimes, at least in my experience, I find that neurologists can be just a little bit over the top, a little bit arrogant, because they're one of the highest fields in the medical profession. So I'm not saying that you shouldn't go after the neurologist to let them know what you do and to educate them, but I think you're going to find a high degree of success with an internist or a general practitioner. Now myself, I went through about 6 modules of Carrick and the Carrick Institute of Neurology, phenomenal training, and as I started to speak with these general practitioners and internists, what had happened was they were very receptive to the treatment that I gave in my office, how I helped people with stroke or Parkinson's disease or multiple sclerosis or any type of brain-based disorder. I just felt that they were very, very receptive, and we started to network and generate consistent referrals. You have to remember that when a chiropractor, for example, sees a couple hundred patients a week, they're not a couple hundred new patients. But if a medical doctor sees a couple hundred patients a week, usually that's an extra 200 patients, new patients that they are seeing. So these places are literally factories of patients, and it's great because now you're networking at the top and you can build very, very good relationships. And it's kind of like you do the work once, you network with a physician, and you have leverage. You get referrals over and over. So I will encourage you to set up lunch meetings with some of these medical doctors, including internists and also general practitioners, letting them know what you do. And I think you're going to be blown away, especially by the younger MDs, as they learn about what chiropractic neurology, how it really can affect someone's nervous system. And this is such a progressive form of chiropractic and really medicine for that matter. I don't know anyone that does even close to what Dr. Carrick himself teaches. So it's phenomenal. So what you can do with people is obviously get them improvement in a way that no other person can, but now we just need to help initiate those referrals first before you can start to see referrals from other patients. Medical doctors' offices, more specifically internists and general practitioners, are a great way to do that. Now, the second important strategy that I want to share with you today on how to get referrals is from the internet. What I would strongly recommend that you do is to create videos like you're seeing right now. You as the doctor can get in the video. That helps people get to know, like, and trust you before they ever set foot in your office. And here's a little tip and a strategy that I want to share with you. When you create your videos, they only need to be maybe 2 to 3 minutes in length. You can let people know who you are, what you do, and really talk about a specific specialty. So if you want to attract Parkinson's disease patients into your clinic, talk about Parkinson's disease, and when you actually go to submit that video, let's say to YouTube or some of these other video sharing networks, make sure your geographic area, so let's say you're located in Atlanta, also with Parkinson's disease, so Atlanta Parkinson's disease specialist, make sure that's in the title somewhere. And what that's going to do, that's going to help you get optimized for that specific term on Google. So when a prospective patient comes in and they've been searching online and they search Atlanta Parkinson's disease, your video is going to come up. It's extremely powerful. Also, make sure you have your live website link in the description area of YouTube, for example. And also, make sure that those keywords that were in the title are in the description of the video, as well as the video tags. Now, you're going to want to write down a list of probably, I would say, 15 to 20 different brain-based disorders and conditions that you treat in your office. And you're going to go ahead and submit those to YouTube and to dozens of other video sharing networks, just like I showed you. Again, videos need to be 2 to 3 minutes in length. Tell them about you, your office, what you do. Give people tips and strategies that they can implement today to improve their quality of life. Then make a call to action at the end of the video. You're going to find this very, very effective at getting people in your office. Utilize those tips and strategies, and I think you're going to find a big difference as far as your website traffic and the amount of people that look you up online. That will help initiate a steady stream of referrals, and you're also using leverage. Again, like we talked about the offline marketing, with this online marketing, video marketing strategy, you're able to use leverage. These videos will sit out online and gather you traffic 24/7, and if you have Google Analytics installed on your site, you'll be able to see the traffic increase as you start to get these 15 to 20 videos out there. It really doesn't take a lot of time, and one of the things that you definitely want to do is be authentic in your videos. Be a real person. You don't have to sound scripted. You're a chiropractic neurologist. You know exactly what you're talking about. You're a specialist. Speak from the heart and make sure you issue a call to action at the end of your videos. And again, this is going to change your practice, get those referrals in, get you more patients, and I think you're going to be blown away by how much this will affect you. So hopefully you enjoyed this quick little video, and what I'd like to invite you to do next is, if you are serious about growing your practice, more specifically through social media and the internet, and you found this tip and strategy valuable, I'm going to encourage you to check out my website, dcincome.com/go. That's DCINCOME.com/GO, and what you're going to find there is a complete A to Z chiropractic marketing system that will help fast track you. I've spent a couple years learning this and really perfecting a lot of these systems and strategies so that obviously you can leverage and not really need to spend a lot of time, energy, and effort on the hard techie stuff. So again, if you're looking for more of a shortcut to really ramp up your online marketing efforts, to see an extra 20 to 30 patients per month from the internet, then visit dcincome.com/go. And if you have any questions, feel free to post a comment at the very bottom of this blog post or video. I look forward to helping serve you better and apply those tips and strategies today, and I'm pretty sure you're going to be blown away by the traffic increase and the fact that people and prospective patients are going to start turning to you as the expert. So have a wonderful day. This is Matthew Loop. We'll talk to you soon.